Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the camera and scene so your moves read clearly. First, select the camera and position it roughly where the shot should start. Insert a location and rotation keyframe at frame 1. Next, confirm scene units and frame rate. 24 FPS is common, and set timeline start and end. Once done, enable auto keying if you want live recording of transforms, or keep it off to add keyframes manually. Make sure the camera is parented or constrained if you plan complex rigs. Now you create the actual motion by combining keyframes and constraints. Add a curve path or an empty to act as a handle, then parent the camera, or add a follow path constraint and animate the path offset. Insert location and rotation keyframes for important beats, and refine timing using the graph editor. Switch interpolation to Bezier for smooth ease in /out. Also use track to or damp track for consistent aim. This lets you separate position from orientation, so pans and dollies remain precise. Finish by polishing and validating the move so your shot is production ready. Preview in camera view and play the timeline with motion blur enabled. Tweak sampling and subframe settings to reduce stutter. Then bake the animation if you used many constraints, and clean F-curves to remove spikes. Use smoothing or filter noise. If you encounter jitter, stop and check for non-uniform scales, unapplied transforms, or double constraints. Clear those. Reapply a single parent or bake to keyframes, and preview again to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.